Welcome to RPOWER, giving you the details you need at the touch of a button. Today, we'll showcase the Describe button and the Menu Item Lookup function. The Describe button lets you view the pricing hierarchy for items without recipes. And for items with recipes, it shows the full recipe with the option to print for quick preparation. The Menu Item Lookup button, also known as PLU or UPC Lookup, allows you to enter a code or search by item name. It's especially useful in fine dining with large wine lists, where long names can slow down order entry. Using PLU makes ringing in items quick and accurate. With Describe and Menu Item Lookup, RPOWER ensures faster access to details, improving accuracy and service. Thank you for watching, and visit rpower.com to learn more.